Moreh the leiriba State Force Singh da Myanmar da based touba insurgent group ama yaona Myanmar romdagi khulai paiba Singh na landarakpa yai haibagi intelligence report Singh mamangda leikhi. Adubu State Force the landarakliba sida Myanmar romdagi khulai paiba Singh yawi haibagi chap, chana, khudam, changdamdi leite haina Manipur gi leingakki Security Advisor Kuldiep Singh na phongdokkhre. Hauzik state asida oiriba law and order gi fibam asiga mari leinana Manipur leingakki Security Advisor Kuldiep Singh na chair lauduna Paugi mifamama ngasi Chief Minister gi Secretariat Darbar Hall da pangthokre. Paugi mifamadu da Security Advisor Kuldiep Singh na hai intelligence ki report ki matung hina Moreh da operate touba Myanmar da base touba insurgent group ama yauna Myanmar romdagi changlakpa khulai paiba Singh na State Force Singh da attack chatharakpa yai haibagi intelligence report leikhi. Adubu State Force da landarakliba sida Myanmar romdagi khulai paiba Singh yawi haibagi chap, chana, khudam, changdamdi leite. Moreh de tek chatharakliba si laksinaba hauzik akan mamongda honare mafam aduda makhatana pamdaba thodok sing thoktana ba BSF company ani army ki kalam ani amade Casper mari thazin kre loinana Ministry of Home Affairs na tharakiba helicopter adu hauzik Moreh da leikre Moreh da oiriba fiba madu yengsinaba IG Khabib Moreh da chakre Magna State Force amadi Central Force ki joint operation yengsingane joint operation asi ngasi nungthildagi hokre pamdaba thodok sing thoktana ba frisking amadi checking chathabada natana Moreh gi akoibada leiriba ching sing security force singna khudum channaba thaurang paikhatpa hore namit kharani asida kuki khulai paiba singna state asigi tongan mafam singda ahenba action chatharakliba se lengang nalum na lauduna tongan mafam sing ahenba checking thaurang laukhatli haina magna makhata ki.
The various kind of coordination meeting was held here, and it was also decided that because commandos location, all these three locations which I mentioned, is at a almost subsided area and a ball area. So and militants, if they fire from higher locations, they are sitting ducks and sitting targets. So we have decided that the commandos should be located in certain positions from where they can themselves tackle the militants. The joint operations has been identified. The IG has been sent there and IG has held the meeting. और अभी शाम से ही operations वहाँ पर चालू हो गए हैं. Frisking and checking of the area and the domination of hills around the this thing Moreh has also been taken up by the other security forces.
Maikai kayadagi mahapur resign tongnoba taksilakliba asigi matangda mahaki kari firep leibage haibage matangda paumi singna hangba wahangi paukhum piraduna makna hai karigumba mahangna mahaki duty ase mapungfana pangthokte haina masana yazaba matamaduda mahagna soidana resign tongane amaromda mari leinaba authorities singna mahaki thabak ase mapungfade haiduna resign tongnoba yathang piraklabasu resign tongane housing maki oina mahak resign tobaki wafam leite haina makhata ki.
If you say that I have failed in my duties, or if I consider that I have failed in my duties, I will definitely resign that day. But all 24 hours, except sleeping time in Langjing, I am working for the coordination and deployment and action of security forces. If whoever has deputed me, if they decide that I am not doing my duty correctly, they will definitely ask me to resign or they will remove me.